guys in man-made forest of Bohol. It's my second time here. This is the situation in man-made forest of Bohol after Odette. Before, there were more trees, but some of them have fallen down because of the typhoon. Entrance fee here in Chocolate Hills is 50 pesos or $1 per person. Hi guys! So this is our second spot for today. We are now here at the Chocolate Hills. That's the Chocolate Hills. The car that we rent yesterday. So for half-day tour, our tour for today is 2,000 pesos. Look at the Chocolate Hills. We are the first tourist here. We just organized this tour as to the tourist destinations that is our preference for today, because it's only half-day tour. So we just wanted to visit man-made forest and then Chocolate Hills, and hopefully later Hinagdanan cave. It's a little bit cloudy today, but you know, it will not stop us to enjoy while we are here in Bohol. Look at these hills. You cannot just imagine like how, you know, this has been formed. You just wonder sometimes, you know, the natural creation of God, diba? It's really wonderful. Guys, we're going up to the viewing deck because, you know, we can see better the view of the Chocolate Hills. So I think this is 200 steps going up. So yeah, it's not that bad. And yeah, let's go there, guys. Come on. Okay, they still have the energy.
No, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, this is too high.
See, madam. Look at the stairs, you know. This is the most famous spot here in Bohol. So we are heading now to the next destination, the third destination for today, going to Hinagdanan Cave. So we are now here in Hinagdanan Cave, and the entrance is 50 pesos. And if you're going to swim, 75 pesos. There are t-shirts for sale. There's also some snacks here for sale. Hinagdanan Cave. This is the entrance. Going inside to the cave.
Welcome to Inside World.
Wow, very nice.
Hinagdanan Cave.
Wow, the water is so clear. It's amazing. It looks very clean. You can hear the sounds of the birds.
Kasi sa picture.
We are done with Hinagdanan Cave. Madam Shuri is leaving now. She's going to the airport now. I'll be left alone. And we're having a mango juice, fresh mango juice from Hinagdanan Cave. Hi guys, it is almost 6 in the afternoon and I am just walking to the right side of the Alona beach, which we did not went with my friend Shuri yesterday. It's quite remote in this right area of Alona beach. As you can see, there's not much people here. It's quite peaceful here.
Charis.
Yeah, this is
She
my,
also vlogs now.
inspiration.
Wow, thank you.
And this is Miss Baninay, di ba?
Hello guys.
Thank you, thank you. My friend left earlier
Ah, okay.
because she made mistakes with booking.
Booking,
Oo.
Okay.
Pero bukas uwi na rin ako. Good morning guys, this is my last day here in Bohol. I'm having ginger tea or salabat in Filipino, and it's 7:15 in the morning, and I'm just waiting my friend who is living here in Bohol because we were gonna try which resorts has day access for their pool bar today, because my flight will be 3:40 in the afternoon, so I still have time to explore. I was thinking of doing the Panglao Island tour, but then again, I have been there last time. I am not interested to go there, and I want to go somewhere different. And I will gonna show you guys a little bit of the room tour. At the entrance, you can see this little dining, and then the kitchen area. It's really good here because everything is complete, like pans, rice cooker, heater, utensils, and wine glass that we used the last time. The sink, and there are some plates and saucers here, bowls. You can cook in here, and they have this microwave, refrigerator. I did not bought anything but the wine that we had because we were eating outside. This is the living room, and this is smart TV, Netflix, and YouTube. They also have free internet here. They also have this one, water dispenser. Here's the room, and there's the bed. It's good for 2 persons. Here is my stuff. I only have backpack because I only have like 7 kilos. They also have mini vault, and there's the Wi-Fi, blow dry, iron here. This is the cabinet. They have extra pillows in there. It's all clean because this is my last day. I have put everything of my things in the backpack, in my bag. They have the aircon here, so it's quite comfortable. Me and my friend are happy, when we got here. And this sofa is really comfortable as well. It's there. And this is the sink. There is the shower. We had a great time, staying here. And at the outside, they have this mini veranda or patio here, surrounded by beautiful plants. They have a swimming pool here, so Kuya is cleaning the swimming pool at the moment. So this is Alona Park residences, and yeah, these are some of the houses or homes or residence here. For 4 days and 3 nights, we paid here 3,054 pesos, so it's really worth it, guys. And we just split it with my friend Cherie, so each of one of us paid 1,527. I think I'm just waiting for my friend. She's not here yet. She's already living here in Bohol, and I was with her as well the other time I visited Bohol, the first time last October 2019. Oh, my friend is calling. Oo, diri day sa unhan sa may tip-top hotel day na Alona Park Residence, kay tour ta ka diri sa among room unya na swimming pool diri. Oh, sige day ha. Ingna alang ko day ha. Unhan ra na sa tip-top hotel, makitan ra nimo wala ra.